everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I've got some Fishcam video for you from Tarpon Springs up at Fred Howard Park. This is off the second bridge out on the causeway, and you'll see there's some snapper about, and there's also a snook that comes by and some other fish that you're going to see on here. And this is a fairly short video, and then we're going to cut over to the South Side Pier at the Skyway Bridge. And before I forget, if you would, please click the like and subscribe buttons down below. That'll help my channel out quite a bit. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now, on these videos, normally I don't leave the sound. I take the sound off on the video that comes out of the camera because it's just a lot of noise. But I left it in on this first section of the Skyway Bridge because it just made me laugh. I mean, I'm walking across the I'm out by the last bathroom before you get out to the edge of the pier, but you kind of hear all the racket going on here, and I am lowering the camera into the water, and you hear this splash. Yeah, now we're in the water, and then you hear the, I'm lowering it down. You can hear this noise that's coming across on the speaker on the camera, or the microphone on the camera, and then we land here. And that whole thing just made me laugh. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'll put some music on so you can have some music while you watch the fish. Thanks for watching. Oh, and one last thing before I forget. There's a timestamp up on the top left of this video. The camera was in default mode. I just got this camera and I hadn't configured it and realized that this timestamp was up there. This video was actually shot at the end of August 2021 as Storm Fred was going by. You would have seen the clouds whenever I was lowering the camera in the water. Anyway, thanks. Enjoy the video.